Hello there, my name's Colin, and I'm here at Presqu'ile Provincial Park in a beautiful hardwood forest. It's lovely placed, isn't it? All these mature maples and beeches, oaks and birches, spruce, even a cedar, like little green jewels amongst all those fall embers. There's logs and stumps scattered amongst the forest floor, home to all kinds of woodland creatures. But what if I told you this was more than just a forest? In fact, it's a nursery. A whole family of trees, young and old, working in harmony to create an ecosystem that supports thousands of species, from plants, mammals and insects, to birds, fungi, and even humans. It's cooperation that spans generations. Trees are hardy beings, tenacious too. A maple like this can live for some 400 years, but to do so, a balance must be struck. And unfortunately, our forests are in big trouble. Today, I'd like to tell you just how that disruption has happened and what Presqu'ile Provincial Park is doing to tip the scales back to harmony. Let's go.